Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm here at Checklist at my bonus page, and I'm doing a review on Checklist. Discover the completely overlooked free traffic source you can use right now to drive hordes of premium quality traffic to your websites, funnels and offers, all while building a massive list of hyper responsive subscribers. Yeah. So what is it IM Checklist V50 all about? Well, you got 17 things here, so let's have a look. 18 step-by-step checklists in 5 formats with full PLR. Setting up your Pinterest business account, selecting your target audience and act alike audience, selecting your Pinterest pin, selecting board topics and content, installing the Pinterest tags on your website, creating a schedule and content calendar, optimizing your pins, driving referrals and traffic to your Pinterest account, growing and engaging community on Pinterest, creating Pinterest campaigns, optimizing your images for Pinterest ads, SEO tips for Pinterest, creating ads and measuring ad success on Pinterest, creating a clear call to action for your Pinterest ads, targeting and bidding strategies for your Pinterest, Pinterest best practices, optimizing Pinterest ad performance, creating your ad group, prices and upsells. Front end IM Checklist is $7, so there you go. So you can access these powerful Checklist V50 PLR scripts or checklists, and use them in your business. See, and subsell number one, IM Checklist Gold monthly membership, $3 trial, then $70.95 a month. Upsell number 2, IM Checklist Volume 1, $36 1 to 36, $247. Upsell number 3, 7 premium PLA reports, $147 Pro and $97 basic. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Find out how to use Bing ads to get more leads and sales for your business, even if you're scared of technology and don't know a thing about paid traffic. Get in front of perfect prospects who are looking to get their problems solved and are ready to pay money for the right solution. The secret is an overlooked traffic source every marketer should take advantage of. Find out how to immediately build a massive email list and make money in the process, even if you're an unknown nobody. Plus, get access to full white label rebranding and private label rights included. Resell, rebrand, reuse. All this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Watch the demo video of IM Checklist V50 below. Let's see how long it is, and we can see if we can do that. Right? Let's see. Oh yeah, that'll be alright. We'll watch that.
Hey guys, Captain Paddy here. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I would like to do a review video for our upcoming launch, IM Checklist Volume 50 Pinterest Ads. Now, we have been releasing these volumes of checklists for over 4 years now, and over 5,000 customers have actually joined our site. And every single month we release a new volume at a massive, massive discount. Right now, when we open up the doors, the price does be actually $7. And it does be a dime sale offer that increases every single sale. And after the short launch period, the price goes to $37. So depending on what time you're watching this video, obviously the price will be different, but regardless, the product alone is worth at least $97. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that is included inside the site. So in a nutshell, the main product would be 18 checklists, which are delivered in 6 different formats that you can download, you can use in your business to basically become an expert on Pinterest ads or whatever topic that we cover. And you can also use these checklists to grow your email list. You've got full private label rights to these checklists, which means you can rebrand them with your logo, with your name, with your website. You can give them away for free. You can turn them into a full PDF guide. You can turn them into a webinar training course. You can turn them into a book and sell them on Amazon. You can translate them. You can do pretty much anything you want with these checklists. Now, they're all in more or less the same format. You'll have a paragraph at the start introducing the checklist and how to use it, and then basically check boxes for everything that you need to do regarding that particular checklist. Now, right, in the 6 formats that come in is printable PDF guides. So basically you can just click on them, download them, read them online, use them any way you want. You've got editable docs, which means you can rebrand them, edit them any way you wish. You've got an online mind map, you've got Google spreadsheet format, you've got Excel spreadsheet, and you've got HTML interactive. Let me just give you a look at the Excel spreadsheet. Sorry, I'll give you a look at the Google spreadsheet so I don't have to download it. And then in the next part of this video, guys, I'm just going to go over the bonuses and everything else that is included. As you can see, for those who prefer to use Google Docs and Google Sheets, we have all the spreadsheets like this. And if you just give it a sec here, you can see all the other spreadsheets load. So there's a lot of work and a lot of effort delivering these in these formats. Basically, people can use them any way they wish. Right, so here are the topics covered. Setting up your Pinterest business account, selecting your target audience and act like audience, selecting your Pinterest ads, selecting board topics and content, installing the Pinterest tags on your website, creating a schedule and content calendar, optimizing your pins, driving referrals and traffic to your Pinterest account, growing an engaged community on Pinterest, creating Pinterest campaigns, optimizing your images for Pinterest ads, SEO tips, creating ads and measuring ad success on Pinterest, creating a clear call to action for your Pinterest ads, targeting and bidding strategies for your Pinterest ads, Pinterest best practices, optimizing Pinterest ad performance, and creating your ad groups. On top of that, you're going to get access to a lot of bonuses. You've got 4 free PDF books here, which basically are worth around $27 each. You've got our IM product launching course, which is worth $37. You've got PLR Hackathon, which is an 11-part video course on PLR training. And that's the bonuses for that part of the section. Right, so all this, guys, I said, depending on what time you jump on, it is an absolute complete steal. Now, there is something you might want to pay attention to as the upgrade. When you purchase this, you'll have the option to access all our other checklists for only $3. Sorry, let me rephrase that. All the checklists we released in 2021 and we released in 2022 for just $3. And I'm just going to show you that quickly, everything that is included. So you got domain flipping, and anything we release next month will be on cryptocurrency and so forward. And then everything we released last year, which is consulting, securing your content, split testing, optimization, list engagement, Kindle publishing, digital agency, tripwire offers, Bing ads, improving email deliverability, Google My Business, cybersecurity, and niche websites. So that is an optional upgrade that I do recommend you guys check out. So this is Kevin Faddy, your review of everything that is included in our new IM Checklist volume on Pinterest ads. If you have any questions, post them below, and have an awesome day.
Well, there you go. It's a review from the man himself, Kevin Fahey. So get IM Checklist V50 now and get all these bonuses below. The bonuses that, yeah, bonus 1, $427.95, $200 per day on autopilot. Yeah. Okay, $200 per day on autopilot, and this is a review by a guy, and he does. It's about the Frago breakout. And runs through that and shows you how you can do that, how you can make this $200 per day using his techniques. I forget the guy's name now. What's his name? No, I forget. It's escaped me at the moment, but it's a good. It's a video, and you can watch. Yeah, that shows you how to do that. Make the $200 per day on autopilot. Bonus number 2, value $46. Access Jono's headline hacks. Another video from Jono Armstrong. A video about how he gets inspiration for headlines at a website called about men's health. So you can watch that video and get inspiration too. Bonus number 3, value $344. 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. This is another video from Jono Armstrong, where he shows you on one of his campaigns. He walks you through it and shows you exactly what he does to get the people on his list to convert better than normal. Okay. Bonus number 4, sorry, value 267. Access timeless traffic. This is a site this one you don't have to log in, don't have to create a access for. You automatically get access, and it's videos about influencers and how to get traffic from influencers. Yeah, that's what this one's about, and that's taught in this course, this video course. Alright, and then the next one is bonus 5, value $197. Take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown hits 0. Well, you've got 4 days, so it's quite a while. So when you click on any of the click here to secure your copy of checklist and your V50 and your bonuses. So when you do that, you'll be taken to the sales page, which we'll be going to shortly. Yeah, so and then you'll be taken to, you can pick up your first option first, yeah, front end or first upsell. Yeah, okay, and then it's onto the sales page now, and I'm Tony Maynard, the creator of this bonus page. And yeah, I'll come back to that anyway. So here we are at the launch special. Only $7, usually it's $37. Secure your discount. Discover the completely overlooked free traffic source you can use right now to drive hordes of premium quality traffic to your websites, funnels, and offers, all while building a massive list of hyper-responsive subscribers. So here you go. That's what you can do there. Here you go. Yeah, Pinterest ads. So that's it. So yeah, that's how it is. Launch a special normal price. Same thing, $7. So it's quite good. So here's some of customers. They love IM Checklist. So yeah, help you in your business. Yeah, same old blurb as usual, but there is something good here down here somewhere. And then another couple of customers, happy customers. Yeah, right. That's all the stuff that you can get with this, with the checklists. And we just keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Because it's, yeah, keep going down, keep going down. So it's all the same blurb. So yeah. Here's a guy here. This guy here refers to him to Kevin Fahey and says, yeah, you should really get that, but you can play that yourself and see what I mean. It's John Mulry. So there's the same 3 customers again. Keep going down, and what do we got? We got bonus 1, access a private mastermind group. Bonus 2, PLL video training series. Bonus 3, 7-figure entrepreneurial books bundle. Bonus 4, 101 ways to profit with PLR. Bonus 5, IM product launching 2.0. And those are the bonuses. No questions asked, ironclad 30-day money back guarantee. So that's what I said on the bonus page. where you have two differences. Option one is have this page without getting your access to IM Checklist, or click option 2, get your checklist. So successful people always take action. Action is the key to success. Absolutely nothing is more important than being proactive. That's only good for if it's any good for you, though. That's the thing. Frequently asked questions. Here we go. Click here for instant access. IM Checklist private label rights, and that's the end of that. Okay, so really that's it. Well, as far as that goes, it's just a decision, because there's no member access for this, because it's a PLL product. Okay, so that's all we get. So that's it, as far as I can say. So it's back to the start of my bonus page. We quickly run through the bonuses again, because like I said, there's no members area for this. There's no access to the members area, because and it's 200 per day on autopilot, which is going to help you with these checklists. Access Jono's headline hack, and 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. Access timeless traffic, which is a good one. It's about influencer traffic, contacting the influencers with big lists and getting them to do shout outs. Bonus 5, all the take action day and access all the vendor bonuses. And when you do, click on any of these white yellow buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page where we looked, and where you can pick up your copy of Checklist V50. So and then when you do, you'll be taken to your Private Plus account, when you can access your bonuses, access your purchase and access your bonuses. And thank you for staying to the end of this review of Checklist V50, and you can access this bonus page by clicking on the link in the description of the video or the first comment. So and you will get access to this, and you can go purchase your copy of your checklist. It's only $7. It's not much, so you are cheapest chips. Okay, well, thank you for staying with me, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you. Bye.